Hello, future IITians. Only the top 1% of students can solve this level 7 JEE challenge. Are you one of them? Let us start our video. Our question number 1 is from physics. Try to answer before the solution appear. Our first question is from physics. The dimensional formula of Planck's constant H is option A ml2T inverse, option B ml2T inverse 2, option C mlt inverse 1, option D ml2T inverse 3. Your time starts. Your time is up. Correct option is option A, ml2 T inverse 1. How it is, I will explain it to you. We have E is equal to h nu from the equation Planck's. Now dimension for energy is equal to m L power 2 T power minus 2. Dimensions for frequency is T power minus 1. Now we have from here H is equal to E upon E upon nu, that is equal to m L power 2 T power minus 2 divided by T power minus 1. After dividing this by T power minus 1, since dimension of energy is m L power 2 T power minus 2 and dimension of frequency is T power minus 1, so divide. So we shall get m L power 2 T power minus 1, which is our correct answer. Our question number 2 is from chemistry. The oxidation state of chromium in potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 is option A positive 3, option B positive 4, option C positive 6, option D positive 7. Your time starts. Your time is over now. Correct option is C plus 6. We shall see how it is. Let the oxidation state of chromium is X. Let the oxidation state of chromium is equal to X. We shall substitute here. K2 means that 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus Cr2 2 into X plus oxidation state of chromium is X. So this way it will multiply it with 2. And potassium, there are 2 atoms of potassium, and the valency with multiply with that 1. Similarly, there are 7 atoms of oxygen, and valency of oxygen is -2, so multiplied with. So total is equal to 0 stability. So now we see oxidation state 2 ones are 2 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to 12, or x is equal to 12 upon 2, that is equal to 6. So oxidation state is +6. There is an easy question from mathematics. Integration limit 0 to 1 x square dx is equal to option A 1 upon 2, option B 1 upon 3, option C 1 upon 4, option D 1. Your time starts. Your time is up. Answer B 1 upon 3. Let us see how it is. Integration x square dx is equal to x power 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 plus 1, 3. Applying limit. Zero tends to 1, x cube upon 3, limit 0 to 1. That will be in place of x we shall substitute 1. 1 cube is 1 upon 3, minus in place of x is 0, 0 upon 3. So that is equal to 1 upon 3. This way the correct option is B, which is 1 upon 3. Our fourth question, which we have taken from physics, the escape velocity of Earth is approximately. The escape velocity of different planets is different. I will tell you how it is. So the escape velocity of Earth is approximately option A 7.9 km per hour, B 9.8 km per hour, C 11.2 km per hour, D 13 km per hour. Your time starts. Your time is up. Correct answer is C 11.2 km per second. How it is, I will tell you. You can calculate by using the formula. VE is square root, straightforward this formula, 2 capital G into M mass, M for mass, R capital R for radius of that planet. Here VE is the escape velocity, G is the capital G is the gravitational constant. The value of this gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg square, and M is the mass of the earth, R is the radius of the earth. So after substituting different values in the equation, and finding V, we get V is equal to approximately 11200 meter per second. I will upload a separate video for the calculation of this escape velocity of the earth. Escape velocity is very important. Our fifth question is from physics, kinematics. A particle moves with a velocity v is equal to 3t square plus 2t. Find acceleration at t is equal to 2 seconds. Options: A 10 meter per second square, option B 12 meter per second square, option C 14 meter per second square, option D 16 meter per second square. Your time starts. Your time is up. Option C is correct option, which is 14 meter per second square. Let us see how it is. Acceleration is equal to dv upon dt. Or v is equal to 3t square plus 2t. Substituting the value of t for 2 seconds. If we take dv by dt of this, we shall get 3 into 2 into t plus 2 into 1. So that will be 3 to the 6t plus 2. Now substituting the value of t is equal to 2 seconds. Substituting this in this equation, so that will become 6 into 2 plus 2, that is 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 meter per second square. Our sixth question is from chemistry, chemical kinetics. For a first order reaction, the unit of rate constant is option A mole, L inverse, second inverse, L for length here, B second inverse, C length mole inverse, second inverse, D mole inverse 2, length inverse 2, second inverse 1. Your time starts. 5 seconds will be given. Your time is up. Option B, second inverse, is correct option. Let us see its solution. Using rate law, we have rate is equal to or we can say k is equal to constant is equal to rate upon modulus of A. So on substituting units, here mole inverse is cancelled with mole inverse, so k is equal to second inverse. This way, the first order reaction, the unit of rate constant is second inverse. How many you have got correct out of 6? Comment your score below as 6 upon 6 JEE topper mindset. 3 or less, don't worry, level 8 is coming soon. Subscribe now and become unstoppable. Make it viral rapid fire challenge. Comment your score. Let us see who is the real future IITian. Thank you for watching my scholars. We shall meet in level 8. That will be more difficult than this level. Thank you for watching my scholars.